वहीं बेंगलुरु में जेएनयू तशद्दुद के खिलाफ तलबा ने बड़ी तादाद में जमा होकर एहतजाज किया। इन लोगों का कहना है कि ये एहतजाज मुल्क के आइन को बचाने के लिए है। तलबा का कहना है कि जो कुछ तलबा के साथ हो रहा है वो काबिल मजम्मत है।
So at this point I feel what is more important is that a lot of people are not even aware about the situation. When we stand here as students, everyone might have their own ideologies or views, but we're not here to talk about the political agenda. It is the morals as humanity comes above all, and that is what we must consider first. If harm is being caused, it doesn't matter by who or to who. It is a fact that harm is being caused at all, and that is something we must strongly show that we are against, because what has the country come to at this point? Is this what our founding fathers wrote for us when they framed our constitution? It absolutely isn't. So that is something I strongly feel as students we are here standing today, because if we don't stand for it now, it's going to go on. Religion and power will always be used to suppress other true morals that will help our country progress tomorrow. And as students, if we are the people that are told to take this country forward, what are the morals we want to teach our children? And this is not what we believe in.
दिल्ली पुलिस जेएनयू में तशद्दुद